At Haskoning, we bring together world-class shipyard planners and designers to unlock the full potential of your investment across every phase of the shipyard lifecycle, integrating cutting-edge technologies. Whether for naval or commercial use, shipyards must be tailored to the specific needs of shipbuilding or ship repair. From frigates to VLCCs to cruise ships, each vessel demands a unique approach. Every successful shipyard begins with research and evaluation. Our in-depth market studies define the optimal facility requirements, ensuring your infrastructure aligns with the type, size and complexity of your vessels. We also offer long-range facility planning. Optimizing CAPEX and OPEX starts with assessing the factors that determine project success. Market size, site location, layout and design, potential sustainability enhancements, labour availability and accessibility, and financial viability. Shipbuilding is a precision-driven manufacturing process. We design facilities that support seamless production flow, from fabrication to vessel launch. Ship repair, on the other hand, is reactive and fast-paced. Our designs centre around dry docking systems and strategically placed workshops, ready to respond the moment a vessel arrives. While some infrastructure may look similar, operational needs differ. A dry dock flap gate opens in minutes for frequent ship repairs. A caisson gate can take hours to open and close, used only a few times a year for vessel launching. In addition to dry docks, we design all key facilities, including ship lifts, floating docks and slipways, each one engineered for efficiency, safety and longevity. From mechanical systems to people-focused spaces to security, we design every element of shipyard infrastructure to work together seamlessly. In the rapidly changing competitive business environment for dockyards and shipyards, we benchmark production processes to identify performance improvement opportunities and deliver their implementation. We're designing for the future now, to meet the challenges of reducing impacts on the climate through green energy transition, whilst reducing operating costs and inbuilt resilience to ongoing climate change to ensure operational and business continuity. Haskoning is already integrating cutting-edge technologies, including digital twin, simulation modelling, automation, 3D printing and AI. Haskoning, engineering excellence in shipyards, with a focus on innovative planning, design and development backed by experience.